You may remember the movie Wayne's World, where it was Wayne and Garth in I think it was Wayne's parents' basement, and they had their show. I'm basically the same thing, except for I'm by myself. It's the Chris's World show. I'm in my parents' basement, man, trying to seek a real life and playing the bass a little bit, talking a little bit, screwing around. This is basically Chris's World. I don't know if it's party time, but because I ain't got shit. But it's kind of like Wayne's World down in my parents' basement.